I believe NAREIT's biggest contribution to the industry has been in the area of investor outreach and really educating investors, both dedicated as well as non-dedicated investors, pension funds, plan sponsors, etc., about the benefits of investing in commercial real estate through the REIT model. The research that NAREIT has sponsored and undertaken on its own has been absolutely compelling in demonstrating that the REIT model is the best way to invest in commercial real estate. NAREIT's been very effective on the Hill, and that's been very important to all REITs. In terms of Ventas and the healthcare REITs specifically, part of RIDEA included, the most recent amendment to the REIT Act, included a very important structuring change for healthcare REITs that put healthcare REITs on a level footing with lodging REITs and gave us an important structuring advantage in growing and making acquisitions, and that's been very important to help Ventas grow. Listed REITs have been a very important product in allowing investors to invest in commercial real estate in a cash-flowing, liquid, dividend-paying way, and a way that provides transparency, accountability, and alignment with shareholders. And so REITs have achieved maybe a 10% ownership stake in commercial real estate, and I would hope that because of the advantages that REITs bring, that 10% will continue to grow over the next 5 to 10 years. The adoption of the taxable REIT subsidiary, the expansion of the taxable REIT subsidiary, and that has really allowed the REIT models to become much more robust from a business strategy standpoint. More REITs have been able to differentiate their strategies, and they've been able to become more dimensional companies as opposed to simply a collection of assets. And the taxable REIT subsidiary model has allowed for growth and diversification in what REITs are doing. So I think that has been very significant. I think the REIT industry will continue to grow. As I mentioned, I think 10% of the commercial real estate market is now owned by REITs, and I'm very hopeful that that percentage will continue to grow and perhaps double over the coming years. And I also hope that more capital will flow to the REIT model as a superior model of investing in commercial real estate as we make the story known and investors become more familiar with the advantages that the REIT model brings.